Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're on the hunt for a top notch laundry basket that can hold a ton of clothes, you've come to the right place. Check out this one out by kunlabori. It's the perfect size and it comes in this beautiful beige color and black and gray as well. This basket has many features I love. First of all, it has smooth rolling wheels that lock. Plus, there's a side pocket and secure clasp. Kunlabori makes laundry baskets with solid frames and support beams on the bottom that prevent it from bending. And the fabric is super durable as well. This laundry basket is a great fit for my bathroom, but it can also be used in any bedroom or office to store books, toys, blankets, and more. The instructions were also a breeze to follow, so it took less than 15 minutes to assemble it. So, if you're looking to upgrade your laundry basket for a high quality and functional one, check this one out. And that's my point of view.